know what, man? It's Tough Guy Tuesday, and there ain't no competition out here.
Tell him I said crush.
I'm gonna do the next round.
Tell that crackhead I said crush.
In the Jake break. I'm gonna come on
Tell Cracky I said crush.
in the Jake break. Hey, man, you wouldn't know what this is.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Time to make the donuts.
Oh man, what that shit? I say I'm coming back in the Jake break and a lot.
Someone told that crackhead I said crush.
Yeah, crush.
Good morning.
No. Hey, 314,
Good morning, 314.
Can I say crush? What's up, 127? I want.
Tell him I said crush.
Hey.
314. Tell him I said spank the baby. Tell him, let him know.
Capital Wipeout, baby. After work, get the plate.
Tell Richie I said crush.
There goes that one in bed. But he's not in Midtown yet, I can tell.
Zoom.
Hey, morning there. Morning time, how you doing?
Zoom.
Yeah, audio drive.
Zoom.
Yeah, a little bit of Tough Guy Tuesday. I'm so dying.
Zoom.
Oh, the king of New York record.
Holy shit. What are you using your force for? Because your gauge moved all the way up, man.
You hear me? You hear me good or what? That's all that matters.
Yeah, man. You hit the red zone here. What? Before you were 9, now you're over. You're a lot over.
I'm hooked up to Richie's electric bike, man. I'm connected right to his battery.
Okay.
I didn't do anything, man. Just same old stock radio, 9-foot whip. It didn't do anything. Might be good conditions today.
I don't know.
I'm always sitting in a safe spot, and like today,
Check it out, New York City. You're NYC.
Where are you now? You in the same location?
Oh, 14 minutes.
You're in Astoria or Long Island City?
Break.
Okay, Roger. It might just be good conditions. I don't know what to tell you. I didn't change anything. As long as you hear me over the dog, as long as you hear me over Richard, that's all that matters. I like taking that mud duck out with a barefoot radio.
I can't hear anybody when you're talking.
Don't tell Richie that. Don't tell him you don't hear anyone when you talk. When I talk, don't let him know that. I don't want to hurt his feelings. It's too early for that. Don't tell Richie I take him clean out the Queens. Don't tell him that.
Yeah, he knows already. Don't worry about it.
I don't want to hurt no one's feelings on wannabe Tough Guy Tuesday. Anyway, let me put it on the side in case Richard wants to talk. I don't want to be accused of being a bully out here.
Sopita, salchichón. Bye.
Let me go get a cup of Java, man. It's about that time for some Java. I'll be right back.
Llegó la sopita, salchichón, pero Dale, basura, dale, está duro. no kidding. Top of the morning, Crazy Eddie. Hey, top of the morning, Trouble, how you doing?
Attention, this is the MTAU.
Hanging in there, hanging in. Try and get it in.
You will encounter an overhead condition. Maximum height clearance is 12 foot, 1 inch. Vehicles over 12 foot, 1 inch must exit and seek alternate routes.
Traffic should be licensed for mail out people to call application already. Yeah, definitely, but every so often you get your occasional asshole, you know, when they're driving an idiot. Oh, that's guaranteed right there, man. Those fucking guys are horrible, man. I mean, if I've ever seen a bunch of people that can't drive, those fucking guys are it, man. TLC and cabbies. They're horrible. You can't pull the camel strap and make the camel slow down, right? You don't realize there's a brake pedal on it.
Oh yeah, what I missed out here? What I miss? I'm back with my job. It's quiet out here. What's going on?
Yeah, all I know is freight shakers drive crooked all the time.
Attention, this is the MTAU.
Oh, there goes that recording again. It's back on.
The tunnel, you will encounter an overheight condition. Maximum height clearance.
Morning, Mikey.
Vehicles over 12 foot.
Good morning. It is a beautiful morning, huh? Santa's coming. I'm so excited. Yeah, nice and cold, man. Nice and cold.
Yeah, what's 20 now?
It's warm a little each day, yeah. It is, they said, a little warmer. A few degrees.
I love this weather. It's beautiful out there.
You know, there's something going down there because when it's going over, it makes you separate the singles in the spaghetti.
This kind of weather is good, man. Good for the blood.
It is good for the blood. Please, my down.
That's what I'm talking about.
Roger,
It's very how can I say, stimulating.
Yeah, I just working my way into Manhattan, cut through here.
Working your way to a Manhattan, you sounding good.
Hey, Mr. Grip. Top of the to ya. Roger.
You got Enforcer 250. They call me Enforcer 250 with my barefoot stock radio somewhere around the lower deck, and I just got down on this beautiful Tuesday morning. It is nice out, man. A little brisk, but this is beautiful, man. This is the kind of weather where you could breathe.
Yeah, it's tough this morning, man. Old fucking dirty dog try to break out a can of Tough Guy Tuesday on me. And I guess he didn't realize the shit was expired, man. Hey, dog, you better get a I just gotta key it up.
Hey, that expired. Hey, Eddie, that expired, man. He's holding in an expired can of whip ass. Hey, Eddie, that can of whip ass that Richard's holding is expired. Let him know.
I'm gone.
That's an expired can that he's holding. It's expired, just like he is. He expired. His can of whip ass is expired. Let him know.
Damn it, dog. Tough Guy Tuesday, the big dog in town. Trying to serve a can of whoop ass. It ain't happening, dog. They got fresh cans on the shelf at Dwayne Reed.
Oh, shoot. Good morning, for.
Oh, man, I tried to ask that dog where to find a can. He's trying to tell me I had them all that tied up there. I had them all. Come on, let me slice you up a little. Oh, yeah, like you. I said, dog, you get some fresh shit.
I think I gotta get a can of a Raid for the dog. I gotta spray the bug out there. Raid with some Raid. Raid! Hey, I wanna know. I wanna see a video with the dog, man. On that electric bike, man. I'm dying to see a good video with the dog. Riding a female or something, man. I want to see a good video. Something worth watching. Come on, dog. Everybody wants to see something nice.
Diaper rides. We got a nigga.
Everybody wants to see dog on his electric bike, man. Everybody wants to see the dog with his cam. A nice cam video on his electric bike. Come on, dog. Let the people see what they want to see.
What do we gotta do right now? Dog food instead.
Come on, dog. Break out that electric bike, dog.
Tough guy, huh?
Damn it, boy.
I think it's too cold for that electric bike. It's too cold, man. The dog is gonna freeze on that bike.
Got that delusional idea that I'm still in Midtown. That tells me, hey, dog, that tells me I'm hitting you pretty hard, man. My shit's hitting you pretty hard. You still haven't figured out how this shit works, man. Look at that from the mobile. Rocking it out with my cock out, dog. Look at that. Bam.
Well, I tell you what, Eddie, when you're rocking out with your cock out in my video gate at 1 to 3 pounds, I got a picture you're still in this house.
Yo, last week he had to fucking verify. Hey, where are you, dog? Yeah, that came, but that's a
motherfucker. He got a cock out in this one.
Way back Queens, man. He couldn't figure out how the fuck did I get his radio that quick.
The dog got to learn how to read his meter. He got to learn how to read the radio. Tell the dog how to read his radio, man. Richard, a dog. He's not in Queens. He's not in Manhattan either.
Saltpeter. Look at this fucking guy. Fucking cracker soup. He likes eating cracker soup.
About that saltpeter, man, I understand I'm very stupid.
Water, a little bit of salt and pepper, and a whole shitload of crackers.
Listen to me as a...
Tell Richard, give him some saltpeter. Give some to Richard. Give Richard some saltpeter.
You see, dog, you listen to that. Listen to that. Not even cranky, spanky. Listen to that. Boys feet in the air.
I think it's too cold, man. I think it's too cold for the dog. His antenna's frozen with all that water in it. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
You know, like I told him, man. You know, like I told him, every dog has his day.
Yeah, the dog got to get a new can, man. He ran out of whip ass. He's got to get a new can. He's got to go to the supermarket. I think I heard Spanky out there. I think I heard Spanky out there waving it, brother. If that was Mr. Spanky out there waving it. Roger that. I got it all, Spanky. Hey, Spanky, I got it all. You're the only one I hear on my radio right about now. Spanky, you know what it is. 250 lower deck with my barefoot radio, and I just got down.
It wasn't me. I'm gonna play Shaggy. It wasn't me. Saltpeter. 25 minutes and 50 seconds as we speak.
Someone's still begging to watch his video gates. Someone's still begging out there. Come on now. No one watches your gates.
Well, I'm not the one that...
Stop begging. No one's watching your gates. Stop it already.
Bam, 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 bam. All across the bed.
Oh, snap. All I hear is crush. All I hear is bam. What the hell's going on out here? A whole lot of bees right about now buzzing around. A whole lot of bees in my radio. Lord have mercy.
Man. Hey, Taino, what do I do with this duck blocker?
Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Crush. That's what I'm talking about. Crush.
Hey, dog, man, I don't hear you out there. Hey, dog, I don't hear you out there kicking it up, man. What's the matter, dog? Ah, there he is.
You'll hear him in between keys. In between keys, Eddie, you'll hear the dog.
Yeah, I hear you, man. I hear you.
Good morning, Eddie.
Morning time out there, everybody. Morning wave. I'm about to say TJF, man. I'm fucking losing my mind. It's tough guy Doozy. About to break out a can of whoop ass out there. Morning time, crazy Eddie.
What's up, Eddie? Okay, Reaper? What?
Hey, dog. About to break out a can of whoop ass. I'm nowhere near Midtown, dog. That's the funny part about it. I'm nowhere near Midtown, dog. I'm all up in your head, dog.
Hey, Spanky, he's trying. Eddie, dígamelo, muchacho, que llegué yo.
Even when you're not on the radio, you're in Midtown, Eddie. That boy got Midtown on his mind.
Hey, Trouble. What's that, man? Una puta, plata de sopita de salchichón para el perrito. Sopita, amarcado, coño.
I've never seen this big kiwi wire looking like this morning. Jesus Christ, we're flying right through this motherfucker. 8 minutes and 40
Hey, dog.
Go ahead, dog. Keep on begging, dog. Go ahead. We want people to watch your gate. Okay, go. We got it, dog.
Good morning, 27.
We just want you to. We want to see you on that electric bike, dog. Zoom.
A whole lot of bark.
We want to see you on that electric bike, dog. Come on, zoom.
But he ain't got no bite.
Hot sauce. Good morning there, Mr. 273, Mr. Hot Sauce.
Who's calling the boss with the hot sauce?
Listen, I don't got no fucking power, I got no turbo or nothing.
Morning time, want to wave. Charlie, Mr. J.
Alright, 273, boy, everything else is over here. TV Shop and YCMS19 on YouTube, Alright, 10-4, where you going?
Zoom. Zoom.
Green light, you got a full green light over there, right? You got a full green light over there, you got a full green light. You have to do that. You got about 8 pounds, 8 pounds. Nah, this is be in the strawberry, dude. What we got is heavy metal. Alright, man, I'm gonna take a pause for the cause. 273 Canarsie base with the 39.
Damn it, boy. Yeah, you belong to each other, man. What are you talking about there?
Hey, make sure you tell them you want to the Richie specialty.
Make sure you tell him you're working at Rich, dog, RC Dog 127. I'm embarrassed, man. What the fuck can we tell him?
You didn't video gate that little...
You gotta be crazy to that shit, bro.
Video gate that little satin going up on that roof. But that's alright. I know you'll give me a video gate.
I want to know when this dog gonna go to the goodie store, man, and get a carrier. I could barely hear him today.
No, well, I tell you...
Where's the dog gonna get a carrier, man? I think he better go mobile. I think the dog better go on that 2-wheel scooter, man, that electric bike, and go zoom.
Yeah, he might stand a chance trying to keep up on me that way. Because he's still trying to figure out how the fuck do I get him from way the fuck out there in Queens.
Damn. Good morning.
515 with the morning wave. What's up, Crazy Eddie? What's up, 250?
Morning.
Waving at bad boy. Oh yeah, you got the dog out there, Richard. He said he's gonna go mobile on his electric bike, man, and he's gonna go on a bridge. He's gonna do some bridge talking and take us all out. Shame on it. I'm shaking now. He's gonna be like Pedro. He's gonna be like 206. He's gonna do some bridge talking.
Oh shit, is that the famous bike that's supposed to do 40 miles per hour, but it only do 20?
Yeah, I seen a video of that bike on Gigabike, and that same model Groove, and the guy does the whole rundown on it. He said, yo, that bike, let me tell you, man, the battery alone is 45 pounds, and it's a lead acid battery. That thing, lucky, the guy said, if it does 20 miles an hour. I mean, he went through the whole nine. You know, he did a review on it, a full review. This is a guy that sells them, and that thing doesn't do no 30 miles an hour like Cracky says. I mean, the shit that Cracky was saying is all made up, man. Like I said, the thing doesn't go more than 20 miles an hour.
Yeah, I saw the same video, man. For that, he should have bought himself a rascal scooter.
And the guy who's a big guy. He's about 250 pounds, about the same weight as Cracky. You know, Cracky's about 250. You know, he's a big bloated little crackhead. But yeah, the guy was explaining. You've seen the video. How you lock the steering wheel, or not steering wheel, the actual front wheel. You turn it to the left and you turn the key and it locks it. But yeah, that thing. There's a couple of features on it that are cool, but I didn't like the spokes were plastic. There's a couple of things I didn't like about it. And as far as the motor, 750 watt motor, that's not all that. That's been around for a long time. The way Richie talks about it, like it's the first thing the first time they ever created a motor with that power. But yeah, I mean, it's good for him to go to McDonald's, I guess, and back home. You know, being that he's losing his ability to walk right, I guess that's the reason why he got it. You know.
Damn, not a shame. He could have got more out of buying a scooter than fucking that little moped. He said 35, 40 miles an hour. I said, that shit barely does 20, man. Come on, man, give it up. And anything over 30, 35 miles, you need a license. Cracky don't got no license. They don't know the rules.
Yeah, I know. Anyway, in his mind, don't forget, in his mind, he's a suspended cop without pay with 4 badges. Don't forget that, so. If he's a cop like he says he is, or suspended for what, the last 16 going on 17 years, he don't need a license according to him. Like he doesn't need to pay taxes. Remember, he says he's tax exempt because he's a dignitary. Now he works for Donald Trump.
He got the president.
Why he's tax exempt because he's on motherfucking Wilfredo and shit with the EBT special.
Thank you for that.
Oh yeah, then he says that in his last video, he says that he has, if you look on his bike where the plate is, if you look where the license plate holder is, it says he's the chief of police of Washington, D.C. That's his credentials are on the plate in the back of his electric bike. The chief of police of Washington, D.C., man. I was almost pissing myself when I heard that.
Oh my God. Hey, Crazy Eddie, can I sell you a bridge if his bike says the chief of police of Washington, D.C.?
No, he actually said chief of Park Police of D.C.
Oh my God.
What'd he say, Eddie? What police?
Park Police.
Oh, okay.
He's policing the dog shit.
Make sure them dogs out there, they don't make a mess and they clean up the poop, you know?
He's more like the poop police.
What happened, Richard? What happened, man? Yeah, defend yourself. Let's hear your credentials, man. Let's hear what you're about to. Are you gonna take out that nasty electric bike, Richard? Zoom. Come on, Richard. We want to see the video you riding that girl from McDonald's that works there, one of the cashiers. We want to see that on video, Richard.
Oh, yeah, she's gonna be great enough to go back that with that nut job.
The poo-poo police.
You imagine that, Richard saying, "Hey, come on, let me take you on my two-wheel bike. She goes, oh, what do you got there, Richard? What do you got, a nice Harley? No, I got a mega bike. It's called a Groove. And I want to groove you, baby. Get on the back of my bike. Zoom, zoom. And I back out.
He's gonna put on his Daddy Terrio suit and groove away.
That's easy, you know?
Well, he did say he was the what did the Gaylord of Flatbush. He got a new MC.
The Gaylord of Flatbush.
The bikes, electric bikes.
Oh man, the Gaylords of Flatbush. That's fucked up.
And he's the president of the Flatbush chapter. And second in command will be 206. That's his second in command.
Man, girl.
That's so funny as shit, yo.
Think right, I'm going out back to finish this L, man.
You notice how he gives up when he got no one hand to hold? You notice how fast Cracky disappears when he has no one's hand to hold out here?
Yeah, I'm telling you. Well, he's not supposed to hear me. I don't know. He's mentioning my name out there.
Oh, he can't. He loves you, man. Forget about it. He can't stop talking about us. And he still thinks we're going to go over there and beat him up. He's still telling his landlady, hey, if the lower deck, if the guys from the Lower East Side come looking for me, let them know I'm under the covers.
I told him, I said, I'm going to go around the way just to take the bike from him. But he was out there complaining. I wish I could have had that on video, Dave. That I could report it to the proper authorities that he's coming to get my bike.
What a snitch.
He's supposed to be a cop, but he's going to fucking call the cops.
Fully manual.
Well, don't forget, he's a suspended cop. According to his last testimony, he's a suspended cop, so he doesn't have any badges. But then again, he contradicts himself and says he has 4 of them, so I don't know. What are you to believe out here?
Oh, man. He's the poop police of Washington, D.C. He's the Gaylord police of Flatbush.
What's the matter, Cracky? Is no one hand to hold? He's all tough when his lucky boyfriend is out there, but when he's not out there, he's like a little mouse under the sheets. Or should I say covers. He probably went back to sleep with his lucky boyfriend under the covers.
Oh, would you?
Yeah, they're doing a little smooching right now. This shit is too funny, man. Too funny.
The Gaylords of Flatbush. What an MC.
Damn it, boy.
Dile que fue la sopita.
Hey, and those tires there, they're tubeless, man. And you can't even change it. If he gets a flat, he's assed out. You got to go to a tire repair place that they, he can't fix that, man. He gets a flat, and they say, you try to pedal that thing, forget about it. You're lucky if you get 1 or 2 miles an hour out of it. He says it's just there for aesthetics, you know. It's just there to make it, street legal. Because technically those motorized bikes are illegal because of the fact that, that's why they govern that 20 miles an hour. That's why they do that purposely. So if he tries to exceed that, they'll it becomes illegal and he could get a summons, get a ticket.
Yeah, that's exactly. You get a ticket. There's no, believe me, that bike ain't going no more. No more than 20. It might not even make the 20. That's just for show. That fancy meter they put on it, just for show.
Now the ticket. Yeah, the ones that trying to outlaw the gas powered ones. I don't know about the electric ones.
No, they outlawed the electric ones too, Eddie, because there was a big thing about these guys that deliver these Chinese delivery places. They were hitting people and people were getting fucked up. They were hitting pedestrians on the sidewalk. No, there was a big deal about that. Some of those bikes are illegal because they modified them to go faster, and they're heavy, man. That bike that Richard has is 148 pounds. So you figure 148 pounds of bike, Richie's what, about 250? That's a lot of weight coming at you, man.
That's a Smelly weight.
Yeah, therefore. I know they're trying to outlaw them damn things because they, like you said, people getting hit.
That's like getting hit with a rotten taco.
Ugh. That's like somebody throwing a fucking big piece of polished shit. That smells like deep ass crack.
He don't even need a bell or a horn. Once they get a whiff of that downwind, they're like, uh-oh, Smelly, what's his name? Pepe Le Pew is coming.
Call her Pepe. Stinky Pepe.
Come on, Richard. Take that electric bike around the lower deck, man. Come on, we all want to see it. Come on. I'll introduce you to some people that have real motorcycles.
So he's riding a scooter now? That's what you're telling me?
Nah.
Cracky's on a scooter, man. He said he's gonna donate it to the lower deck.
He's got a bike. He's called the Gaylords of Flatbush. Richard's got a new MC called the Gaylords of Flatbush. He's got a new MC.
Oh, shit, yo.
You can't make this up, Spanky. You can't make it up.
Yeah, so if you see these little scooters come by with pink jackets, be careful. Those are the Gaylords of Brooklyn.
And he's going to be the first chapter in Brooklyn on electric bicycles, the Gaylords of Flatbush.
Big dog.
Richie and the scooter. Oh, shit.
And Richie's MC name is Deep Ass Crack.
Oh, that's not even funny.
They call it, what's up, Deep Ass Crack?
Yeah, man, that, yo.
Yo.
273 or Johnny Rabbit, that wasn't even funny.
Just think of what he could have spent on that money. That $2,000 check that his family gave him for new dentures, man. Just think of what he could have bought with that $2,000.
I tell you. This is hilarious.
Oh, here I go. Thank you, Eddie.
And that was the prez of the Gaylords of Flatbush. His name is Deep Ass Crack.
Where's that can of what man is talking about, man? I told you, bitch, he having it stale, man. You're not doing nothing.
He needs a new can. He has to buy a new can of what is it called? Ass whip? Hey, Eddie, he needs a new can. That can that he has expired. Richard got to get a new can of ass whip.
Oh, you see now this can of whipped cream? That's that fat can? Oh, whipped cream? Can.
That's what it is. He's got a can of whipped cream. It's not ass whip, it's whipped cream. And it's got a cherry on it.
Whipped cream?
Oh, shit, they call it Luby Ass Crack.
He needs a can of ass lube.
Look at that, homo.
Him and his boyfriend can engage on his electric bike.
Dick and ass, I gotta go.
Oh, shit, 206's bike name is fucking Gaylord Fucker.
Oh, yeah, nature. Naughty by nature that way.
Richie Smelly by nature.
Me jogging.
Oh, shit, Cracky Smelly by nature.
Right, Richie? Smelly by nature?
Oh, shit, that's his new name, man. 250. That's his new name. Smelly by nature. That's fucked up. Smelly by nature.
206 worldwide.
Oh, man, yo, Spanky, man, you can't make this shit up, right? Richie's new MC, Smelly by nature. I can't take it, yo. I'm fucking dying over here.
Rabbit.
Look, he's ghost talking now. Now he's hearing rabbits.
Hey, rabbit.
Rabbit. He's hearing things now.
That's it. That's what I'm gonna call him for now. Smelly by nature.
The key at the same time.
Yeah, that's his code name. That's when he's deep undercover. They call him Smelly by nature. They call him on the radio. Smelly by nature. Do you read me? Over. We got a job for you. We got an undercover assignment for you. Smelly by nature. Do you read? Come into command. He don't really stink. He don't really smell. That's his undercover. That's his undercover. You know. This way, when you get a whiff of that deep ass crack from Smelly by nature, you pass out, man. That's better than a stun gun.
In the moment.
Oh my God.
Do you agree with me?
Uh-oh.
Smelly by nature, we got an assignment for you. Smelly by nature, come in. Do you read? Smelly by nature, come into command.
Jeez, you know. We got an assignment.
Smelly by nature, this is Crazy Squirrel. Do you read? Over.
Oh man.
You mean
Yo, that's a good way to start the morning. Thank you, man. Thank you.
Tell you, man, gotta start off the reek white, boy. Smelly by nature, undercover, deep ass crack.
Smelly by nature. Smelly by nature, are you out there? We got an assignment for you. Agent Deep Ass Crack, do you read? Over.
what's on them?
Hello. Agent Deep Ass Crack. That's original.
Oh man, yo, that's it.
Get on that super duper electric bike. We need you immediately. We need your assistance. Smelly by nature. Agent Deep Ass Crack. We got a job for you.
That's original. He's on the side, man. He's on the side.
He's checking his deep armpits.
Ass crack. Can I use that one?
It's original. It's trademarked, but you can borrow it.
Thank you. That was hilarious. Yeah, he did it to himself too, right? Smelly by nature.
Smell about number 4.
It can't get no better than that.
No, you can't. No, sir.
Look, you got him embarrassed now. He's blushing. He's not keying up.
He said he'd be back. He went to go put on his little Miss Makeup.
Next thing you're going to see is Richard putting on a cape. He's going to be the Cape Crusader next. Watch. There's no need to fear. Naughty by nature is here.
It's more like dirty by nature.
And I'm here at your service to provide truth and justice. Oh yeah. There's no need to fear. There is no need to fear. Naughty... Oh man, I'm choking over here. Hey Richard, man, don't get embarrassed, man. We're just having fun out here, Richard. Don't be offended, Richard. It's the truth, man. We're just having fun out here.
Smelly by nature is here. I got you.
Yeah, but you can only use that. That's a code word, man. You can only use that when he's deep undercover, man. You know? Smelly by nature, that's his code word when he's on assignment. And he puts that cape on. And he's blowing on the 59th Street Bridge with that cape and that undercover assignment. That's not really how he smells. That's his undercover agent. You know, that's his your credentials. So we really can't talk about it. It's highly undercover.
Yeah, but he's also known as the Dirty Crusader.
That sounds right.
He's the Dirty Crusader.
Oh, bad girl mad because they refer to her as the dirty Sanchez kid.
Dirty by nature. Holy shit. Cracky, you're the shitty crusader. Poor Cracky. Putting on his little Miss Makeup, trying to smell good.
How do you know what Ricky Sanchez smells like?
Every time you walk by a sewer, that's what you smell, Richie's ass crack.
Dude, Homosexuals, wet dreams. Got that right, Charlie.
Well, if you ever smell the Staten Island dump in the middle of the summer, well, when Richie's downwind, when you smell Richie coming on that electric bike, believe me, you could smell that funk.
Oh, what the fuck? They blocked the road here?
That funky deep ass crack.
Nah, Eddie didn't block the road. They got a flare up.
I wasn't talking to
Okay, alright.
Give it to me, give it to me, give it to me, give me that funk, that stink, that funky skunk. Say what? Give it to me, give it to me, that funky stink, that funky skunk. Say what?
Oh, shit.
Give Richard a load at Rick James.
Singing to me in no.
Yeah, I'm on the side, man. I gotta get myself ready, man. If anything, I'll catch you guys later.
West Carrier.
Roger, alright, no problem, bad boy. You have fun, man. You have fun, have a good day. I got this on the gates, man. It's a good thing I recorded this morning session. It's just too funny, man. A lot of originals, though, I gotta admit.
Oh, dirty by nature. Shit. Yeah, have a good one, man.
How do we go away now?
Yeah, he came alive. He came alive when that neighbor came on. Hey, I'm just telling what
Don't forget, that's trademark. That's trademark. You could use it, but don't abuse it.
I'm gonna show you.
Smelly by nature is my trademark. That's it's patented. You know, you could use it, but don't abuse it.
The nature sentence came out of Richie's mouth this morning. Rewind the video.
Look, Richie trying to take credit for my material now. Listen to him. Bad enough he's out there begging for you to watch his show. Now he's trying to steal my material. Richard, shame on you. Smelly by nature. Shame on you.
Alright, well, we'll let the viewers rewind the video. Time came from. Worldwide.
You can't make this up.
Roger on the initial sausage on.
Oh, yeah.
Covered it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you see how I got him dancing?
Tell Richie, look, he hears Pedro, he jumps for joy, man. When Crackhead 127 hears Pedro, his asshole starts to twicker.
Wow, dig the suck. You see how I got him?
Look, he's all happy now.
See how I got him dancing in his own heat? Hey, good morning.
You got him dancing, man. When he hears Pedro, he starts to jump.
Eat my word. God, yo, not only do
He has to jump, that bitch. Listen to him. That's like a fucking dog in heat.
Where is that worldwide bad acting? No squeal mobile. Where is he? Rabbit sees it right there. I don't know, Johnny Rat. I ain't heard him.
He's out there somewhere. He's not on the bridge, so you're not gonna hear him.
Rabbit, right there.
F206, he's probably coming to deliver my pizza. I ordered it like a week ago.
Hey, Johnny Rat.
I'm still waiting for my pizza delivery.
I'm back live.
Hey, Smelly by nature, stand by. Wait your turn.
Look at that. Look how I got him dancing.
Smelly by nature, that's Richard's code name. That's his undercover assignment name, Smelly by nature.
On your NYC.
Oh yeah, that's what they call him, Smelly by nature. Lord have mercy.
Where is that worldwide bad acting? No squeal mobile. Where is he?
I think it is Smelly.
Worldwide, no squeal, bad acting mobile. There I go. Worldwide Mud Duck Central. Worldwide Mud Duck Central.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, MS 19 on you.
Oh yeah, there he goes. He's begging for you to watch his show. There he goes. Smelly by nature. Don't forget his undercover name. That's Richard's undercover name. That's his secret agent name. Smelly by nature.
Pretty baby, you are the soul that snaps my radio.
Oh, now he's a singer. Oh, let me get out of here. It's time for me to go.
Bye-bye, I'll let the door kick you in the ass on the way out. You can't hack it.
It's time for me to go. Now he's starting to sing. Oh man, let me go. Let me get out of here.
Hack it, you can't hack it, pack it, you can't hack.
Anyway, I gotta go. Good morning, everyone. I gotta get out of here. This is gonna be the conclusion of the show. If you liked it, you can definitely check it out. Just go to Enforcer Space 250 on YouTube, Monday through Friday. Oh yeah, 5 a.m. to 6 a.m., excluding weekends, holidays, vacation, and now OT, baby, because I gotta make that paper. So check it out if you like it. You can put your comments if you want to. They call me Enforcer 250. Check it out on YouTube, Enforcer Space 250. I gotta go. I'm gonna leave you with this final thought. If you smell something coming down the road, down the highway, or if you're up on a bridge and it's nasty and funky, no, that's not smog. That's Smelly by nature. Put it on you later, Enforcer 250, and I'm back out.
Roger on the 57 minutes and 55 seconds. Come on in there, 250.
What's going on, Mr. Johnny Rat? What's going on, brother? I was just ready to sign off. How you doing?
You're his brother now. I'm everybody's brother. Bam,
Richard gets a little jealous when I wave the hand out there. He's very obsessed.
He's in. 58.
He gets a little jealous. Anyway, let me put it on you, man. I'll put it on you out there. Johnny Rat, you have a good morning. Number 4. And I think Crazy Eddie, if you're still out there, and all the rest of the crew. And don't forget my buddy out there, Smelly by nature, on his electric bike. Everyone, you have a blessed day. God bless to all. Drive safely and make that money. Enforcer 250, lower deck, and I'm back out.
Johnny Rat got him staying a little longer. Johnny Rat, shame on you for being an aphrodisiac. Hey, the monkey's back. I got 59 minutes and 19 seconds as I'm off the key. NYC MS-19 video game rolling. Back down. And bullshit is left the building. Thank God, the junkie's gone. Wasn't that a song by the thrill is good? Oh, no, that's not the junkie's gone. That's the thrill is gone.
Come on, dog. What are you doing out of me? You know you miss him. Come on, dog.
Oh man, I got Crazy Eddie out there trying to sing me a song, man. All right, to all my video game friends, fans, and viewers, it's 59 minutes and 59 seconds. You're a hole in the wall on Brooklyn CB Shop. The most talked about, most envied as being man on and off the mic is 10-7. 59, go!
Hey, number 4, man. He just shut down. RC once.
I ain't shut up.
Back to 245. You got a copy 245?